Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, thanks so much for joining me today. Get comfortable. Watch as I show you how to make fried okra in the air fryer. I've already washed and chopped up my fresh okra, so I'm going to pour it in this larger bowl. I'm going to sprinkle salt, put some black pepper on it, now some olive oil. I'm going to gently massage that in. I've already preheated my air fryer to 400 degrees, and we're going to put this in and cook it for 3 minutes, then we'll come back and flip it over. All right, let's check our okra. Hear that sizzle? One more time. We're going to give it 3 more minutes, and then our okra should be ready. So we've cooked it for 9 minutes, 3 different intervals of 3. It's really good, but if you want it extra crispy, let's try giving it a couple more minutes. 2 minutes, and then we'll eat our okra. That is so good. And okra is so good for you. And this is the healthier version of fried okra. What have you been making in your air fryer? I would love to know. Leave me comments down below. And if you have suggestions of things you'd like to see me cook, leave that down as well. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.